What's up everyone, welcome to the speedcube.co.nz YouTube channel. My name's Mike and today I'm just jumping in with a quick editor's note before we get into this match. So we had Dwyane versus Jasper down at the speedcube.co.nz Lyttelton Lab on Saturday night. It was a great match, lots of fun, so good to do it from the store, but it was a bit of a technical challenge. It shouldn't have been. Technically, it should have been the easiest match because there were less things to go wrong, but unfortunately letscube.net decided to fight us from the very first solve. We got it done in the end, but it was a bit of a challenge. I want to give a shout out especially to tech support Tim, who you can't hear in this recording, but during the whole match he's just in my ear having a meltdown because it would not give us a break. Anyway, we got it done. Adrian and Liam did well on the commentary side of things to keep it moving along, and of course Dwyane and Jasper took it all in their stride and gave us a great match anyway. So just wanted to jump in and say that let's all remember at the end of the day we are trying to do the best we can with the facilities we have available to us, with the tools and skills we have, and that means we are going to face challenges, but you know what, every challenge is an opportunity to learn. We're still here. We're still going to be here. We'll be back again in 3 weeks' time with the first semi-final. So anyway, enough waffle. Enjoy the match.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Kiwi League match 4. This match is between Seed 4, Dwyane Ramos, and Seed 5, Jasper Murray. So on the left we have Dwyane. Dwyane has a 7.84 official 3x3 average and 6.63 official 3x3 single. He holds OCR average for Cube with a 2.40 and OCR single, pyramid single with a 1.22. He also has a 9.69 in our OH single and 11.56 in our OH average.
And on the right we have Jasper Murray. He has an 8.43 official 3x3 average and a 6.35 NR2 single. He holds the NR Pyramid average with a 2.53 and is also the Nats 2020 national champion. And he's also won 15 rounds of Pyramids in a row.
Which is to be expected because they're 4th and 5th seeds.
Yeah.
Okay, so Dwayne's going for his first solve. Looks like he's tracing things.
Yeah.
Making weird hand movements and inspection. Interesting thing about Dwyane, he uses Rue. Oh, what
very happy with that one.
Yeah. 7.4.
Have many problems with nerves at competition. Jasper sometimes does in like pyramids and 3x3, so I'm not sure how this will affect their solving.
Yeah, you can really see Jasper shaking there.
Yeah.
Oh no.
He keeps kicking me.
Jasper is color neutral, so be cool. What did he just get? Hoodie combo.
Oh yeah. Both during the
Jasper's starting this time.
8 seconds.
Oh.
Using
Or at 8 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's at 12 seconds still deciding his cross. Oh, orange.
Doesn't look amazing for him. Quite a few pauses, but probably still maybe a 9 or something.
8 or 9.
9.23.
A 9.2. He says this a lot. He misses.
Yeah.
If he miss slots.
The thing about someone else being a slightly bad solver in this is that you're gonna get nerves saying, "What if I don't beat it?" And then it's this, yeah.
The interesting thing in this match is that Dwyane and Jasper use different methods. So a scramble that's good on one method might not be good on another.
Yeah.
But 8.4, not too incredible for Dwyane, but a little bit of
Like you guys.
screaming.
Okay.
I don't know if we mentioned this, but this match is being done IRL. So Dwyane and Jasper are actually sitting right next to each other at the moment. If you
Doesn't look great
know.
for Dwyane here. Maybe another 9 or something. Yeah.
Another 9? He never got a 9. 9.17 though.
9.1.
Okay.
Well, we get to see Dwayne's sick haircut, but more importantly, Jasper's solve. Oh, that looks pretty nice actually. That
That should have been in.
yeah,
What?
definitely be in 9.1. But what was it? 6.5.
654. Wow.
Wow. More than that, I reckon.
Yeah,
Wait, what's the
40,
longest the match can go on for?
50.
50.
Or 51
Yeah.
if it's a tiebreaker. Well, no.
Right.
Yeah, it's 50 something.
Jasper going first. Oh, rotating a lot.
Still probably maybe an 8. Oh,
8-9.
8 or 9,
Choking
yeah.
at the end. I think that was a G-pome. Oh no.
Oh,
Yeah, I
someone
know.
left. 868. Again, quite beautiful from Dwyane.
Liam, do you have any idea about Dwayne's level of color neutrality?
I'm not sure.
X2Y. X2Y just sounds like cube rotations to me. So maybe it means white, yellow.
Sounds like a musician. Oh, really nice DPS at the end. Maybe a 7?
858.
I think this will be longer than the rest by quite a bit.
Very close match. The closest it's been so far is 7 wins for the losing competitor.
Yeah.
And we're already at 3. We're at 3-2, which is pretty
Possibly
even.
3-3 here. Don't think it is.
Oh, possibly.
I think Dwayne might have won that one still.
I'm not sure. It's going to be very close.
Oh, okay.
739.
That not look like a lot of
Okay,
siblings,
a
right?
lot less close than we expected. White.
Let's fix on the colors he uses as well. Let's see what he does. He might just be white
Yeah, let's
yellow.
watch. Yeah. Jasper going for the white craft. Jasper started doing white yellow or just white.
Oh, not a great loss.
So
Yeah, that's maybe...
switching to color neutrality is pretty difficult and probably still does a lot more white yellow.
I think it's supposed to be like, yeah, an 11. That's very, very
An
beautiful.
11. Yeah, just no mess ups.
Okay, he's doing what looks like blue.
Easy.
Is it no?
Yellow. Yellow.
What? Okay, he's doing white. Oh no, oh yellow. Okay.
Yellow.
Holding at weird angle.
Okay, so white yellow.
Okay.
I think maybe X2Y. Oh no, oh, have I been disconnected?
Neutrality is when you have white and yellow on bottom, but anything on the sides.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Like Y being, around the sides.
Okay.
And X2, like.
Okay. This looks pretty good for Dwyane. Maybe a 6, 7.
Oh, that looks like a long, last 6 edges.
Okay.
730.
Yep.
Could be difficult for Jasper, but he can still do it. Looking at yellow cross, I think.
Yeah, he seems to be eyeing yellow cross a lot. Oh, I think he's got that. Oh, never mind. I thought he was going to do ZBL.
Maybe a low 8 or something in this one.
I'm not sure. Yeah, 7.9.
Okay.
Looks like green cross for this one.
It is.
Seems pretty
But
good.
you never know
Okay.
the nice C or lowercase.
Probably a mid 7. Again, they're getting
7.99.
average time, so it's still like 50-50 chance of the other person depending on the times they get.
Yeah. Dwayne laughing. What could that be?
Oh.
Jasper
Doesn't seem
making
very
that
happy
face
with
that
that.
tells me
Oh, no,
that.
he just won. Just beating Jasper.
Clutch win. Making power moves.
Tracing once again.
Flicking his wrists.
So Dwyane seems to be
Oh,
taking it
that
really
looks like-
casually, and Jasper seems to be very nervous about it. Oh,
Not getting nervous.
7.29
Just
from
take
Dwyane.
it super casually.
8 seconds.
Oh, Tim has disconnected, so we can't see the time. But that it needs to
Can
come
Jasper
back.
beat the 7.29? Don't think
So I guess we'll have to say exactly what's going on.
8:38.
8:38. Okay. So, okay, Tim's back in the Let's Cube, so we can now see the times again.
8 seconds.
So I
Jasper's
believe the
banning
winner of this
TBS.
match is against Ben, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Jasper got an 8.54. Just
Makes it more
very
interesting.
messy.
That's really bad.
Dwyane doesn't seem overly sure.
Oh,
Nah,
choking a lot.
Jasper could make a comeback here.
Oh, and I think that's a +2 as well.
Oh,
So
Is that a plus, Judge?
it looks like
Yeah,
it.
that's a +2.
I already lost.
+2.
Enter the +2 first before the time.
Okay, 11.36
Oh,
with the
okay.
+2. So even without the +2, Jasper still would have won.
Skip scramble, please. Tim?
Skip, skip. Okay.
It's not working, Chris. I need to up my game.
Let's keep these
Okay.
games.
Jasper taking a win after a few solves of defeat.
No, I'll choose me. Oh, facts.
Oh, and now their memes are almost the same.
Oh wow, 8:42.
But-
Oh, Jasper's
But
winning
that's
now. In
but
terms
that's
of-
really just because of Dwyane's 11.
I mean, Jasper got an 11 as well, so it kind of evens it out.
Oh,
a bit.
that is true. You're right.
Yeah, only 0.1 off the 11s. But yeah, they're very, very close. Jasper's in the lead for mean now, but Dwyane's still winning in terms of points.
12 seconds.
Yeah. Whoa, those were some fancy finger tricks from Dwyane. I think just all roost solvers do that. Nice lack of pauses from CMLL to last 6 edges.
Oh, Dwyane with a 10.
10, interesting. Dwayne getting
So
up.
Dwyane seems to be not doing as great now. He suddenly went from
Taking off
3
his
seconds
hoodie.
to 11 out of 10.
Jasper doing
Hopefully it's
black.
not. Hopefully this is a
Nice.
one-time thing. Not great for Jasper as well. Probably still sub 10 though.
Rolling his eyes, but yeah, should still beat it. I think he might be concerned about his mean or something.
Oh, 786.
7.86.
Why was he sad about that? 1-3, then Dwyane 1-4, and now Jasper's 1-2. Not very
They're
split
going
up.
on winning streaks.
Yeah. It's kind of just who's going to get the longest one, really, at this point.
12 seconds.
And Jasper's currently got 2, so could be his. Looks pretty good.
Very nice. Very nice solve.
Can we...
That looks very smooth.
Is that okay, baby?
796.
7.96. Oh, I think that was sub.
Oh,
Yeah,
just sub Jasper
7.69.
on that one.
What are you doing?
Just giggling.
Oh, very nice. Probably a low 7, I think.
7.26.
726.
Bang on, Liam.
I'm so good at this. Should we guess Jasper's time exactly?
Yeah, sure.
8 seconds.
Let's do it after it happens. Oh, I'll go with
8.5.
I'll do 801. That's what we'll go for.
872.
872.
I was closer.
Fire off. So another one for
Okay.
Jasper here. What will he get? Will he get a sub 6?
That would be nice to see a sub 6 this match.
Surely a sub 5.
But I think we've only. I'd be surprised seeing as we've only seen one sub 7 so far.
Jasper got like an 11, I think. 11 flat, surely. 1104. I totally didn't use a stopwatch.
Oh wow, cheating. So him abusing the stopwatch.
But this is very.
What about
beatable
Dwyane?
for
What will
again.
Dwyane get? I reckon he's gonna get sub 11.
I think that 11 pulled down Jasper's mean a bit.
Dwyane,
Oh,
+2. But I think that's still.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
9.
he had a 7.1. Okay.
Was that a 7.1? That looked like a 9.
7.1 plus 2. Jasper taking big sip. While Dwyane gets a certain time. 7:35.
3. Okay, Dwayne's on a streak again. So
Oh yeah, 10-5 to Dwyane. Well, it's more like 9-5 to Dwyane since we haven't seen Jasper solve so
True.
far. Like for this last solve.
Have they actually both gotten a good time on the same one? Like a low 7? Doesn't look like it.
8.9. I think they're having a timeout.
Jasper's calling a timeout, guys.
Timeout.
Jasper's having a timeout. Alright.
We haven't seen a timeout so far this season.
Yeah, this is the first timeout of Kiwi League. Alright, so it looks like. Oh, okay. Jasper's got almonds or something. Where's commentating what's happening in the store right now?
Mike grabbing some hats. Oh,
We have hats.
We have hats, guys.
Oh yeah, stopwatch.
Okay, 4 minutes into timeout. Still got. Is it 10 minutes
So
or 5?
is it 5 minutes per competitor?
5 minutes max per competitor. Okay, Jasper, when you're
So it
ready.
looks like time up's over. Jasper may have come up with a new strategy to completely destroy Dwyane.
Yeah, hopefully Jasper's in his zone.
I'm calling it.
A 5. Okay. Kind of looks like he's not shaking as much.
Yeah, he
And-
looks way less nervous.
12 seconds.
Using
Oh,
a lot of
this
his
is really
inspection.
nice. This is quite nice. Oh, no.
We're choking a little bit at the end.
Pretty sure that
That's still
wasn't
gonna
a
be
5.
that's still gonna be a 7, I think.
7 or an 8, yeah, looks like it. Yeah, 8.9.
894. Okay, what about Dwyane?
Quite a lot of inspection again. Mustn't be a great scramble.
No, I think it is a good scramble. So they're using a lot of inspection to try see as far ahead into the solve as possible.
Oh, that's probably could that have been a 6?
No, I don't +2.
I'm not sure.
6.8, yeah, it was a 6.
6.8.
Similar unofficially, it's just that Dwyane handles nerves a bit better, I'm pretty sure. And that's why it's slightly one-sided now. I wouldn't say it's one-sided, but like...
Yeah, I wouldn't say it's one-sided.
It's this... Yeah, I think Dwyane's is winning more of them for that reason.
Yep. And as you said before, Dwyane's taking this very casually.
Yeah, definitely. Pretty good, he might get another win here. The comeback.
You can't come back after one solve.
I mean, it's... Well, it's 12 to 5, so he might need
The
to make
beginning of a comeback.
the beginning of a
Once
comeback.
once Jasper wins 7 solves,
Okay.
or 8 solves,
Probably
it
7.
will... What was that?
Generating Kiwi record, isn't it?
Once Jasper wins
6.7.
6.78. Nice.
Yeah.
Chris versus Finn.
Eight seconds.
I'm a bit lucky at the start. not too amazing.
Nice
Pretty good
steal,
last
lol.
one.
8.6.
Still on 8.6, so yeah, he was locking up quite a bit at the start, looked like, so it's not too bad.
8 seconds.
Yeah.
Still could win with that.
12 seconds.
What is the worst current winning time? I think it's 9.1.
Let's go see. Worst winning time? Yeah, 9.1.
A 777 from Dwyane. I don't think it's gonna be like that at the end necessarily. But by the end, Dwyane could still have half the wins. Well, like, sorry, twice as many wins.
Half the wins.
Half the wins. I'd like to see like a knockout thing where they both get 24 or something, and they have to do one more, and the winner gets it. That would be
That would
very.
be really cool. Oh, Dwyane got a 6.49, which is the best
Oh,
solve
wow.
of the match so far.
I did not notice that. Must be very.
Jasper, I think
when-
Jasper still got a good time, but it won't be enough to beat the 6.4.
It must be very nerve-wracking when you're second and the other person gets like a good time. That's probably very hard.
Yep. Eight seconds.
So I think, yeah.
12 seconds.
Oh, I thought Jasper knew some TZBLL, but
From Jasper.
No, we're just
Yeah.
waiting for Dwayne's time.
oh, we wait for both of their times.
Oh, is that what we're doing?
That I don't know how good of an idea that is.
I guess it does make it more fair because you can't see what the other person got. Or,
No, I think they still know what the other person got.
I think Dwayne's is getting slightly better consistent souls, and Jasper's getting some like random sixes and stuff. By the looks of it,
8 seconds.
and like sevens. It's mostly consistent.
Oh, we're choking a little bit at the end, but still a nice solve. 7.35.
Yep.
I'm not sure if Jasper knows what he needs to beat. Doesn't look like he looked over at Dwayne's time, but oh, he has a Lyttelton open though, so he should be able to see. What did he get? Jasper just barely won that one.
Yeah, you
7.30 to 7.35. The closest Kiwi League match of the season, because both the competitors have more than 7 wins.
I guess that's definitely the closest match already. I mean, it's getting closer now, probably because Jasper's got a couple more wins there. Still 5 off.
very. Ew. Oh my goodness.
Dwyane calling the scramble disgusting. And will that be beating Jasper's time? Oh yeah, Jasper got a 7.2.
Okay, Jasper's getting back on track here. It's definitely possible to come back. For Jasper.
Definitely. This is actually the 23rd solve, so we're probably past halfway.
6.9 for Dwyane. Okay. Can Jasper pull off a 6?
We'll see what Jasper can get on it.
Will this be the 5 we've all been waiting for?
8 seconds.
Quick start. Oh, big pause.
Yeah, Dwyane definitely won that one. That was probably a high
Oh,
7.8?
Changes.
7.9.
yeah, 7.9.
Okay, I think we've
I
got it
believe
sorted
so.
now.
Yeah, I think we've got it sorted.
Yep. Seconds.
It's him making absolutely no sense. Can't hear him at the moment, but he's
But he makes
jumbling on
Sorry,
about
Tim,
some
I was just
random
waiting for
stuff.
Jasper's
Yeah,
solve.
Jasper
He was in
probably got a
inspection.
was it 6 or 7?
Tim,
Enter new time.
Looks quite nice.
What Tim was
6.4,
suggesting-
this solved the
yeah.
match. Did you see what color Jasper did? I don't really...
It was either white or yellow, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, because his
Well,
cube's
actually, I wasn't
yellow.
watching the solve.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
His cube's got yellow on top, so it could be that.
Wait, you mean Dwyane?
Jasper's.
Oh, Jasper. Oh, right. Because I was gonna say, Dwyane uses roof. Doesn't matter what color is on top.
Yeah, Dwyane 7.3 and still didn't win. Okay.
The score's now 10-14 to Dwyane, so
It's
getting
staying-
closer.
It's staying consistent with how... Like, difference between the points now. There's been a 4 difference for quite a while now.
12.
Doesn't seem too bad. Oh, maybe a...
I'd love to see a grand comeback from Jasper. That would be incredible.
Sorry, they're the clubs ones. Don't worry.
That would be. 7.7 from Dwyane. Okay.
Let's see if Jasper can beat that. If he focuses and doesn't mess up too much.
8 seconds. 12 seconds.
Jasper going for the red cross. I don't know. To me, it looked like white looks pretty good, but
I think, yeah.
I guess I'm not. I guess I'm not the one holding the cube.
I think Dwyane's got that one.
9.1
Okay, 9.1, I was quite far off.
would be cool to see that.
Let's see if I can call this cross color. I'll say red. Surely. I know, I think he's doing white. No.
I don't know. He's looking around the cube a lot.
He's going with white, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, white.
White.
Well, you can't always tell. You can't always tell from what color's on top because
I think he's just going with white.
sometimes you hold a different color on top so that you have a better start.
Yeah.
Looked like a bit of a choky info. 9.85. Okay. Dwyane should be able to beat that, and he's going to take quite a big measurable lead.
8 seconds.
Oh no.
Sure. DNF.
DNF.
They
What happened?
well, see, they wrote Jasper's time as, I mean, not Jasper's time, Dwyane's time as being an hour 40. Wait, an hour? Yeah, an hour. An hour and 40 minutes. And so Dwyane's mean is now 3 minutes, 59 seconds, and 84. Or was that just, no,
think-
yeah, regular solve, 6.68.
6.6, okay.
Very good solve.
So there's a lot more sixes than the other ones. So these two are the, like, lowest ranked match, like, combined, sort of. And they're getting the most sixes, I believe.
Well, combined, all of the matches are the same. They all add up to 9.
Yeah.
But I think what you mean is the middle?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, they're not the worst in the bracket, but, like, this match is, like...
Yeah, Jasper starting.
26.
Pauseless solve from Jasper. Nice,
Yeah,
what was
Pretty
that?
good. Pretty sure Dwyane's showing Chris a meme or something.
8.5.
Oh, did he?
8 seconds.
By golly, Dwyane taking this match very casually.
Oof.
8.54. Oh, so close, so close.
Oh,
To make a very big comeback to win now.
yeah, definitely. Because Dwyane's closing in on 25. He still needs like.
Well, still are a few more solves to go. What was that?
But when you think that
7.9. If Jasper ups his game super hard, I reckon he can do it.
8 seconds.
What did Jasper get?
Yeah.
Jasper, oh, just barely losing that one as well. I don't know, but I mean, either way, it doesn't matter. Well,
we might find out.
hmm.
12 seconds.
Jasper going for Blue Cross, speeding his way through F12. Oh, what was that?
720. Let's hope
Nice,
Dwyane
nice.
just gets to 721, I guess. Or maybe
Jasper
he'll
had
get
good TPS on that solve, but it must have been a long solution.
Yeah.
8 seconds.
He could pull a 719 or something. That would be unfortunate. You know, he could have actually pulled like a
641.
Never mind.
Is that the best solve?
Oh, or
of the-
642. Now it's
Yeah.
640.
By a hundredth of a second.
649 to 640.
Dwyane just really loves barely beating Jasper.
Yeah,
Jasper.
This is quite unfortunate for him. Dwyane at least won 6 more, and Jasper still needs to win 14. That shows the difference.
Well, Jasper may lose, but as long as he gets the Kiwi League record, everything's all fine.
Yeah, he should just
And
go
it
for a
will-
5 now. He's gotta find the good singles.
Well, in my opinion, you should be going for 5s on every solve.
That is true.
Not necessarily.
8 seconds.
Do you think there'll be a 5 in this match?
12 seconds.
Well, seeing as we're already past halfway in the match and it hasn't happened yet, and the closest we've been is 6.4, I don't think so.
Okay. Actually, he's
That would
gotten
be.
he's gotten 3 in the last average.
Oh, did he? Oh, he
seconds.
did.
What's his
Oh, I
current?
want his. Oh, it must be. It must be like really low 7,
Yeah,
if
let me
not sub
calculate it
7.
quick.
Nice last layer from Jasper. But I'm not seeing the times being updated. Am I just not in the...
Jasper got a 7.59.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Dwayne's average right now is 7.13. Very nice.
7.13, wow. That's Chris's inner average.
It is. Okay, I think Jasper's got this one. Anyway, yeah, definitely. And Jasper's very happy about that.
Yeah. Managing to clutch at least one win after a losing streak of 5.
ITF, okay. So I guess the strategy is just take it more casually. It's kind of hard to do that sometimes.
Well, I guess the mentality is like, doesn't really matter what happens.
Yeah. Dwayne's time isn't updated for me. Can you see it, Adrian?
No, I can't see.
Okay, maybe it's not.
But I think that was to avoid the bug.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Jasper choking a little bit on
Have you
the last layer.
Wait,
Yeah,
six,
Dwyane got that
two.
one.
Can we have another
21.
Let's just hope that Jasper wins.
If they each win like 4 in the next 8 solves
8
or
seconds?
something like that, that's 8 more
12
solves.
seconds.
Pretty good.
Nice solve from Jasper. Except after, it's hard to tell what he got because after each solve, he looks a little bit upset about it.
I know. I mean, it turns out to be like a 6 or something.
8 seconds.
7.4.
7.4.
Could definitely beat Dwyane on this one. Though Dwayne's turning looks quite nice. Oh, I don't think this is
Choking a little bit.
I think Jasper got that one.
Yeah, me too. 8.16.
Oh,
Come on, Let's Cube. What are you doing?
man, can
I'm
we?
gonna take that quite a bit.
Hey, we
Let's
got it.
Cube
Okay,
on
we
it
don't need
being
a
a little
skip, Tim.
bit
I think we're
weird.
good.
The,
D2B2.
D2B2.
8 seconds. 12 seconds.
Dwyane.
What happened
Dwyane
there?
get?
7.
Dwyane with a 7.64. Let's see if Jasper can beat this.
8 seconds.
Choking a little bit, still possible. I don't think so.
I think it's a high 7, but I think it's slightly worse than that one. Or low 8 maybe. Oh wait, that's high.
8.66. Yeah, not very. I wouldn't say it's one-sided, but Dwyane still has a very clear lead.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this I didn't expect it to be this much of a difference.
Yeah, I thought it would be closer than this, but I mean,
Yeah.
it still is a lot closer than every other match we've seen so far. Nice TPS on the last layer.
Oh, 9.15.
9.15. Very beatable for Dwyane.
8 seconds.
Kind of looks like he's chilling out on this solve.
Yeah, he's pausing quite a bit. I think that was maybe an 8.
More like choke. 8.64.
Sorry, I can't do this anymore. 8 seconds.
This looks pretty good for Dwyane. Maybe a mid 7 or a low 7.
8.16.
8.1, okay. Jasper can still definitely beat it.
Wait, did Jasper switch cubes? I think
Yeah,
Jasper
that's what
switched
it is. I was like,
cubes.
wait, is that a stickless cube? Oh, no, sorry, a sticky cube. Strange, okay.
Oh,
That could be close.
judging by his face, I think. I'm not
He didn't
sure.
seem upset on it.
9.37.
Maybe
Wait, this is match point for Dwyane.
Okay, what's Dwyane doing?
You kind of just wait for a random moment where you get something good before you start like actually trying again.
But I think it's already
Yeah, it looks like Jasper's just given up at this point.
and the stream's frozen. I did not see any of that.
8.56. Well,
Okay.
not as much of a fail as I would have thought, judging by his behavior during the solve.
This may be
But
the winning solve.
can Dwyane beat an 8.5? I mean, if we look at the past few solves, looks like he can beat an 8.5, but
Gives Jasper the death stare. I think this is it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was it.
Is that it?
808.
Good game. Good game.
Right. Dwyane
Good game,
takes the match 25-14. Oh, and Dwyane just left the Let's Cube.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dwyane takes the match 25-14. Also with a best solve of 6.41. How long was that match? It was 40 solves long.